SSG. Have you seen my wife?
No. I never sat this morning. She never passed this gate.
That means she's inside.
I hope no problem, Sha.
Oh. Goodness. What's going on? Gang! What's going on? Gang! Look! Oh, Benita, please, Benita, please. Somebody help me. Is in the hospital around? Help me. I don't know. I don't know. Can we get in the hospital around?
Time. Let's take us to the hospital.
Can you even help me now? Help me!
Yes, I know one. Help me!
Don't let the hand, the leg. Help me! Oh, goodness. Benita, help me! Somebody help me! Open the door!
Just in my office. Mr. Fred, why will you initiate such a thing? Do you think it's everybody that's mentally and physically strong? This is a woman who loves you with all her heart. Now the result is unfolding. Let's pray this does not cause any damage on her. Seriously.
This is not going to solve anything. We told them we're going to get something. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Fred, what's that? Jesus. You want to kill us both? Please leave the wheel. Fred, get down. Leave the wheel. Down. Can you please calm down? Calm down, please. Can you imagine? Doctor, what are you saying? I don't get. This wasn't what you told me the last time, and now you're singing a new song.
If it sounds like a new song to you, so be it, because you caused it on yourself. All I'm trying to say is that her soft center had been affected seriously due to the pains. Henceforth, you'll be noticing some strange changes, especially loss of memory.
Doctor, well, hope she will recognize me.
Also,
she has been like this since morning, and the doctor said it's a new development.
Look at me. Look at me. That's me. The love of your life. Fred.
huh?
What is going on?
Ah! No! Call the doctor! No, babe! Doctor! No! Doctor! What? My goodness! Doctor! Why are you doing?
Thank God the doctor is working on her. You have to hold on to yourself.
Hold on to myself? How on earth do you think that is possible? I just can't stop thinking of how foolish I've been. Look at what I did to that poor woman. Just because I want to know if she's cheating on me or if she truly loves me. Now I know. Just take a good look at what I've done to her.
Do not judge yourself. I have not said anything. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see if something positive can come out of it.
My goodness, what pushed Fred into doing this? What?
I knew how much I spoke to him, but he bent on fulfilling his games, calling me names. Anyways.
What about her family? Does he have plans in telling them?
Yes. I spoke to him, but he said no. He said he's going to cause small damage. Then good.
This is somebody's daughter. She's somebody's daughter and she has a family too.
I know. But let's just cross our fingers. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see if there will be an improvement before going to the family.
Fred is making another mistake. Tell him I said so.
If there is anyone to do the telling, should be him, not us. Do you understand? Joyce, do you understand?
I do.
Good.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Did you understand? Fred, did you understand me?
Understand what? Have you been talking, doctor? She asked me what you've been saying. I swear I do not know.
That is because your body is here but your mind is absent.
What did you say?
It's very difficult, but you have to hear it.
What? Go ahead, what is it?
Okay. Oh, no. Everything went well. How it went. You know, right? You're right. Yes, you are right.
That's the victory you're celebrating now, right? I'll be going home to do 1 or 2 things. I'll be back in the evening. Excuse me.
Oh, I said it. I mean it.
I'm sorry. My everything. My wife. My heart. The mother of my beautiful. Mother of my beautiful daughter. My priceless jewel. My love. I do not care about what the doctor said. I know who you are. I know the woman I married. You're a fighter. We will fight this. And we will come out victorious. We can always go back to the time we started. We can start everything all afresh. When everything was fruitful, rosy. When we used to be happy together. Just like the very first time we met. That fateful day when you were showing that little boy so much love. Let us rebuild. Let us unite. Together, we will win. Let us rebuild. Reunite. Together. Yes. We can.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Sir, there was not enough powdered milk, so I added tea.
Thank you.
How is madam?
She's getting better.
Thank God. Maybe by Sunday I'll come and see her.
I don't think that will be necessary. The doctor said that all she needs now is rest, not disturbance.
Sir, I thought you said she's getting better.
Oh yes, she's getting better, but I don't have to go contrary to what the doctor said. She needs rest, not visit, not disturbance.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Joyce will come here later. Just give it to her as soon as she comes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Fred, I've been calling you, Ocho, and you're not taking my call.
Call me just once. Can you say you've been calling me and take your calls? Let me show you. 15 missed calls.
I thought you said it's just once.
But I totally forgot my phone was on silent. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Are you serious, Ken?
Think your stars walked in some of this. What were you thinking? You would have caused us a damage of a whooping sum of 100 million naira. Come on, Fred.
I thought I checked everything. checked. I mean,
Yes. Oh, yes. You checked and cross-checked. The same way you refused to pick my call that made me rush down to this place. You made a great mess in all the documents you handled today. Come on, bro. I decided to check the document before submitting it as you pleaded. I will help you submit them.
Ken. Ken. Ken, I'm gradually losing my mind. I don't know what to do. It feels like my world is crashing right before my eyes.
I know. You just have to take it easy on yourself. All we need is God's intervention. You don't need to hit it hard on yourself. Oh, yes.
Mr. Ken, I'm Mr. Fred. I have a good news for both of you. Yeah. She's making a U-turn and she's responding to treatment herself. Yeah. So all she needs is love and affection. The same love that drew her will also help her to come up again. You just have to take it gradually. The one step at a time.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
So she will gradually regain her memories.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. I have to take her to that very special place where she derives nothing but happiness. I'm sure it will enable her recover fast, as well as getting back a memory.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
All I am doing is for the good of all men and for the love of one woman, Benita.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for everything. Honestly, you have no idea all I've been through trying to, hide this from my family and that of Benita's. Thanks for everything. Thanks for just sacrificing your time. Thanks for being there for me. I mean, the time given, everything. Thanks.
You don't have to thank me. That's what friends do. Benita is more than a sister to me.
Thank you. Thank you. there? Waiter. Babe. Huh? Babe. No. Oh my goodness. My good problem. Sir.
What's all this?
Sir, I'm sorry, please. Sorry. She's
She's not okay. She's not feeling fine.
I'm sorry. You know what? I'll just get another plate for you. Waiter! I'll just get him to get you another one.
She's not okay.
Please. I'm sorry for the worst, but
I'm sorry. It's alright. Can I get you another one real quick? Wait.
No, don't bother yourself, okay? She can have the food. I'll get myself another one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're so kind. You're far too kind. Thank you. No!
Hey.
No. Benny, no. Babe.
Please, stop crying.
You're just there?
What to do?
Okay. Just all right.
You guys should do something about this.
We're doing something, babe.
Please, just be alone.
Babe. You're embarrassing me.
Please.
Baby. Doris, have you seen it?
Please. Please, stop crying, please.
Kids. Okay.
Benita.
Let's do something about this, please.
Babe.
She's not okay. Please, just be alone, please.
He's romancing her. Is it part of the plan? Okay. You know what? 1 second, please. What is this?
Fred.
Doctor, this is way out of it. I mean, what kind of embarrassment is that? Just take a good look. This is too much, doctor.
Embarrassing. No. It's a blessing in disguise.
What did you just say, doctor? A blessing in disguise? Doctor, how can my wife be doing this and then you call it a blessing in disguise?
Yes, okay, hold on. Let me explain to you. You say you took her to the first place you both went and you ordered for the same food.
Yes.
She must have reacted when you got there. Whether good or bad, that would have been your first sign. The next thing is that push button that will make her happy.
Is this what you have to tell me, doctor, this evening? Is this what you have to tell me this evening? You were not there. I was there. My wife was sitting with someone she doesn't know. A complete number, a stranger sitting so happy. No, you tell me. Tell me if she were your wife, would you be happy? What are you talking about, doctor? What qualifications do you have? How are you even a doctor? Huh?
Something must have triggered it. Look for that clue. Maybe the picture and the position of where the man is sitting is exactly what's in her memory. Mr. Fred, you need to fasten your seatbelt to this flight that is about to take off.
That is what you have to say. Thank you. This is all you have to tell me this evening, doctor. Thank you.
I seriously need to go. I want to go home.
So, babe.
I want to go, man. She can...
Sorry. Are you just gonna keep? Let's go, please.
Please.
I need to go. I need to go.
Can we go?
Don't do what she wants, please.
She has to go with me.
Have you seen it?
She can't go with
Now,
me.
have you seen it? Let's go. All I get is this is it. Your plan.
Man, I think we should go outside. We should all go outside, okay?
Benita.
Oh, let's go outside, please. Hey! Let's go.
sorry. But he was grabbing her waist. Is that part of the plan? Hey, careful. Alright? Are you going to help her? He's hugging her. Okay, all right. What do we call this? Huh? I now big sleepers. Another man is hugging. Good. Keep your hands up. Don't hug. No. Keep your fingers up. He's hugging her. Full hug. Full hug. Full hug. Nah. Is this part of the plan? What's going on here? Do whatever she wants. Do whatever she wants. He's hugging her.
She's crying.
Okay, you're gonna lock me outside. No problem.
Let's go inside.
Go where? I'm here. Go. Is this part of the plan? All right.
That's right.
No, go on. Joyce. This wasn't the plan. It was not the plan at all. It was just to go to the fast food where she remembers, where she can recollect, get back her brain. Now he's giving her full hug. Again, where are you? Oh, thank goodness you're here again.
What is? What was the meaning of that? What's that for?
I don't know. I just don't understand. I don't understand exactly what the doctor means. What is this? You needed to see what happened here before you came. I was picking sleepers and my wife was hugging another man. Hugging tight.
Listen, I suggest you call on her family before this whole thing blows out of proportion.
And tell them what? No, I'm asking you, and tell them what? That I'm playing games with my wife, diverse paper games, and then I left my wife into another man's arms. My wife is acting abnormal. Is that what you want me to tell them?
Tell them whatever.
God! They're now big sleepers and another man is hugging my wife.
Hey, baby.
Who the heck is she?
I do not know. What's really going on here? He was hugging my wife!
What's going on here?
Babe, I can explain, okay? I can explain this, please.
Explain what? What explanation do you have to give to me when you cannot even ask her to leave?
Baby,
it's not what I think, then what is it? She's not okay. She's not.
She got me in trouble.
If she's not okay, what has that got to do with my fiancé? Is my fiancé a doctor? If she's sick, then she needs to go to the hospital.
The woman in question is my wife.
Your wife?
Oh yes, his wife. That's why we need you to calm down, so we can explain. Please, just try as much as you can to be calm. Please.
All she needs is rest. Boss, how is she?
She has been stable since I gave her medication.
Wow, good to hear that. I was afraid. How are you?
As you can see.
See, I don't know how you see this. Why don't you allow that young man visit your wife often? It will help her recover from this.
Doctor, if I heard you properly, you're asking me to give another man access to my wife. It's not really a good idea.
Mike, my man, have fun now. How your side? Bro, I did. I dare to take leave for Nigeria now, Guy, don't be like that now, Don't be so. Yeah, normal levels now. Everybody's fine. Yeah, my woman, she's in the room. She's okay. No, bro, I do. No, it turns out for this side when I just had died, bro. I swear down. No. Your car is okay. Your car is in perfect condition now. I dey use and prove someone a guy. You see where this car don't carry me go like this. Oh boy, I dey cause problem for road. Get your right sweet tie. I tell you, your car is in perfect condition since I was using as a little normal level. No wala. Nama you be, my G. Guys, so now your car go there. Alright. Okay, I'll call you later now. Alright. Hey babe. This one you're angry and your face is like this. Hope all is well. My love. Talk to me now. I'm not to say it again.
Now I'm your love. When you were busy giving that lady attention, you did not remember I was your love.
Ha! Babe, I wasn't trying to help now. What would you have wanted me to do? Huh?
Trying to help at the expense of your own girlfriend. Happiness.
Love, there is no feelings attached. Besides, Benita is someone's wife and a mother. So why would you be thinking I'm having...
Hold on. Is there a place where a married woman cannot fall in love with a single guy?
My love, I have you, and you're enough for me. You're beautiful, you're amazing, you're gorgeous. So why else will I be looking at another man's wife while I have my own here? Come on, baby. Huh? I love you, and you know this. Huh? You belong to me, and I belong to you. My heart belongs to you as well. You bring me so much happiness. I love you beyond words. Believe me. You're everything I ever asked God for. Huh?
It's okay. Don't wash me again.
Baby, I'm not washing you. I'm telling you real. I'm being real here with you.
Baby.
Love more.
Before you go any further, where's the money you promised me, Joe?
Oh, that reminds me, baby. Next week, I promise I won't fail you next week, please. Okay, next week I'll make sure I paint you okay? Okay. I'm so sorry, okay? You know, I'm working on something, so the business is gonna click next week, so I'll make sure I paint you okay?
I'm feeling.
I'll double it.
You double it.
Of course, come here. Come here, my beautiful. Look how fine and gorgeous you look.
So you see, this used to be our usual spot. I asked her why she wanted this exact place, and then she said how she wanted to see everyone that comes into this place. Just take a good look at my wife. So you tell me, what am I going to do?
What is it?
What is going on? What is happening to you? Please talk to me.
What are you doing? Stop. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Okay, here we go. Fred.
with this last shot of mine, I swear if God delivers me from this lion's den, I'll never go close to the zoo again.
Oh, pardon my manners. I'm sorry I'm smiling. But you see, I wish God can show us the end of some things so we can avoid it completely over what it may bring us.
Ken, you think if I knew things would turn out this way, I wouldn't have avoided it? Just thinking of how she would accept this whole thing when she comes back. Her reactions towards me is another thing I am strongly preparing for.
What if she decides to divorce you? Because you've totally made her life a big mess. What will you do?
Well, I'll summon both families. I have a big surprise for them.
Very well then. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But for the meantime, let me beat you like a kid you are on this ball.
But not after taking my own shot. Doctor, I went to the ward. I can't find my family.
You're not there?
Are you asking me that question? Are they not supposed to be under your care? Where is my family?
Sorry, I'll stand it that way, please. I was just coming back from another hospital where I went to conduct the operation.
Where is my family?
Hold on, I had to...
Where is my family?
No, please.
Hello, Ken. Ken, I can't find my family. I've called Joyce. Her phone is off. You don't understand. I've tried to reach everybody I know just to get in touch with them, but nobody. No one seems to know where they are. Ken, I think I'll just go over to Stanley's place. You never can tell. Maybe Stanley took them in. His phone is off, Ken. Can't you just listen? He's off. Yes, please. Please, do everything that you can. Please, try for me, my brother. Please. All right. Just call me if anything comes up. All right. Thank you. What is all this?
Oh, hey man, Fred, I'm not part of this from the onset. I was briefed.
Neither was I party to it. I just got to find out when I first met you.
Why?
I should be the one asking you why. Fred, why did you do that to me? Why did you torture me this much? I will sleep in the room, you will bring me to the sitting room. I was wondering what was wrong with me. Why did you do that to me, Fred? What have I done to deserve all of that? As if that is not enough. You served a divorce paper. How heartless could you be? Well, if you must know, you promised her a big toy. I promised her mother's undying love. And she spilled your secret.